Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the historic Main Street Cruise-In in Springfield in Jacksonville, Florida. And this is going to be the Walkabout cam where we take a cell phone and a selfie stick and go around and look at the cars and maybe do a couple 360s of the cars. Anyway, we just met up at the Crystals and had an old school car show, even though the Crystals restaurant is closed. I hope they get that open back up real soon. Says temporarily closed on the sign, so we really don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the YouTube things that make channels grow. We're trying to grow. We're trying to get to our initial 500 to get the YouTube. Lost my train of thought there. YouTube dollars. Anyway, that's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to them hot rods. So let's rev it up for that car show.
Live feeding those too.
I thought I had that. Well, I didn't need that because that's what this is.
I know, but this
It's Fiat 454.
also with the Chevelle SS is, two of my favorite vehicles.
Well, and that's 70.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes my heart hurt every time I watch Jack Reacher and see him destroy that 70
Yeah.
Chevelle on that.
Every time.
Believe I wow. And I thought about getting it, but I said, wow. I mean, this is 71. Back then, only difference between the Pontiac, Buick, Chevy, and Olds was front end and the rear end. Everything else was pretty much the same. Pontiacs and Olds had the 455, and Buicks and Chevys had the 454.
Excuse
Original
me, guys.
interior and the 8-track player still work.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good.
Here he is.
Hey guys, there he is.
We split up when we were down here. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yep. Engine parts everywhere.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Springfield Main Street Cruise-In historic version at the Crystals Restaurant on Main Street in Jacksonville, Florida. It's growing. It's getting a little bit bigger again. I mean, I know for a while it had, pretty much bit the dust, if you will. I think the first time I went, there was like 3 cars, myself included. We had, 20, 25 cars there this time. We had both sides of the restaurant filled up pretty much. So, it is growing again. Hope it continues to grow. But anyway, that's really all I got. Make sure you drop us a like, subscribe, comment, and share if you haven't already. we're trying to grow the channel. We're trying to get to the 500 subscribers. We're at 354. So we got a little less than 150 to go. But any help on that would be great. We're going to keep going out to the car shows and bringing the car shows to you on YouTube. So I hope you'll continue to support the channel as we go forward. So we'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever it may be.